Hello friend, and welcome back to another video. So you can see this car is Range Rover V8 engine V8 model, supercharged. Actually customer says he noted water leakage in the morning, ground side, and here in engine compartment. Then we are check everything, then we find fault. You can see here also water available also inside. Then we check the found fault. You can check the hose pipe, someone using silicone, any other garage also this hose pipe, and the old one what cooler going to replace, and that is gasket. You can see that is gasket, and this one is cooler, new brand, genuine, and also the hose pipe one, and second one also is going to change, that is hose pipe, and that is supercharged, you can see, and offside. So this is the work in this car for water leakage issue, because we are open everything, we're going to fix inshallah. Thank you.